From Colorado Public Radio, welcome to Terra Firma. Hello, friends. I'm CMarie Fuhrman. Come with me on this journey as we listen for insights from the natural world. This time, to the Powderhorn wilderness of Colorado. How many sounds can water make? I am alone in this high mountain meadow, asking just that. I'm sitting next to a river as one might sit next to a sleeping baby, just listening to her sighs and murmurs, looking at the innocent face of life, astonished still by miracles, something age and experience will never take from nature or me. There are no colors to describe the water here. It is clear as air. I know that as it moves down, it will froth and foam and collect silt and earth and even the ash of a recent fire. It will grow and carry sticks and leaves and sometimes an entire tree. It will do the work of erosion to banks and rocks. It will, at times, frighten. At other times, this gentle child of a river will soothe. But for now, it is clear exhale from the earth. I lie beside the thin stream, the wisp of a stream, and trail my fingers through the water as if I am running them through a child's fine hair. When a stream is small like this, even at its coldest, it is not uninviting. It trickles past, then riffles over smooth rocks. Passing through alder, it slides and swishes. My touch excites the water, and it burbles and sings as it weaves through my fingers, called by the unstealable forces of gravity and the ancient sea. One night, years ago, I slept in a cabin over a waterfall. A waterfall! All night I listened, and all I heard was wind. Such opposites, these two elements, water and wind, yet their song that night was the same. I was lulled to sleep by their song, as I have been lulled by rain on the tin roof, rain on a tent, rain on water, or rain on a lake. I remember other times, other sounds of water. In the canyon of the South Fork of the Salmon River, where I camped next to the Sequoia River and never slept at all. The water there is furious for reasons I cannot know. It rushes by, eager to reach its destination a few miles downstream, where finally it meets the South Fork of the Salmon River with a sigh, as if greeting a lover who has been unseen for a very long time. I have been awed by the silence of a flooding river. The bigger the water gets, the slower and thicker, the more silent it becomes. Almost as if ashamed of its enormity, as a god must be when he leaves his room to do the work gods must do. Those who have known floods tell me they never heard it coming. A flood makes the sound that creeping makes. It remains one of my favorite silences when I am swimming with my head underwater, Holding my breath long enough, I strain to imagine what it sounds like to the trout that live here, to the frogs that dive in, to the insects and invertebrates that will know no other home. But this is not the landscape my ears were made for. Returning to the surface, I hear hermit thrush and remember that their song, slowed way down, sounds beautifully like that of the humpbacked whale. Imagine that. Us, tethered to earth, unable to reach the arched sky or the dome of ocean, still being able to hear the language of both. For now, this is enough. I am in this high mountain meadow, trailing my fingers in a stream and remembering the sounds of mountain water. The sky is clear and no breeze moves the bunch grass and aspen leaves that will be my evening company. The stream is so small that it will murmur, only offering the slightest burble and drip. Evening comes, and I pull the quilt, the night, and the sound of the river around me, and close my eyes. It's a simple thing, really, this song of the water that has been sung forever. But maybe it is the simple things, the sounds that have always been, that we need more of. I'm CMarie Fuhrman. This field recording was gathered by Jacob Job. Terra Firma is a production of Colorado Public Radio.